Hello, and welcome to this video on using Mobot for log analysis. In this video, you'll learn how to use Mobot to investigate issues, interpret its findings, and identify recommended next steps. If you haven't seen our Introduction to Mobot video yet, we recommend checking it out first. We've all faced situations where investigations start with limited information and grow more complex as new evidence emerges. Finding the right answer isn't always the hardest part. Knowing where to begin often is. Mobot is designed for exactly those moments, helping you investigate more effectively by understanding your intent, gathering the right context, and guiding your next steps. Mobot is designed to think with you, not for you. Let's understand how Mobot transforms the way you work with data. Working with Mobot is simple. You simply provide a prompt, a question or an instruction describing what you want Mobot to do. Mobot will then understand your intent, gather relevant data, perform multi-step analysis, reason across data sources, and analyze findings and recommendations for next steps. A prompt is the input you give to Mobot. It should include instructions, context, constraints, and examples that guide how the model generates its response. The prompt tells Mobot what the user wants, provides the necessary context, and guides it in generating the appropriate response. Consider this scenario. A production monitoring alert reports a significant increase in API gateway latency over the previous hour. As the first responder, the site reliability engineer, SRE, has to quickly identify the root cause, determine the affected API endpoints, and assess the impact before coordinating further remediation. Let's see how the site reliability engineer can use Mobot to investigate the issue. First, log into the Sumo Logic platform. In the left navigation pane, click Mobot. Alternatively, you can click the Ask Mobot icon on the home page. The Mobot conversation page opens. In the Ask Something text box, type your prompt for Mobot. In this case, type, "Our API gateway latency spiked in the last hour. What's causing it and which endpoints are affected?" Then click Send. Now, watch how Mobot gathers relevant data, performs multi-step analysis, analyzes and presents the findings along with follow-up questions. Let's analyze what Mobot did and what it found. In the beginning, Mobot identified the relevant data sources and ran parallel analysis on logs and metrics, while focusing on the endpoint with the highest latency. It recognized API/auth gateway as the outlier and decided that it required deeper analysis. Mobot then ranked the affected endpoints by latency and confirmed API/auth gateway as the primary contributor to the latency spike. Next, it evaluated the severity and impact, summarized key findings, and identified likely causes based on the observed pattern. Finally, Mobot suggested follow-up questions that the SRE could use to continue the investigation. As you've seen, Mobot isn't just answering questions, it's helping you move faster and think deeper. You've now learned how to use Mobot to investigate an issue by providing an appropriate prompt, interpreting the findings, and identifying recommended next steps. Now it's your turn. Log into Sumo Logic and try Mobot on one of your own investigations. Thanks for watching.